The lagoon is the centerpiece of the Queen's Harbour Yacht and Country Club community. It covers approximately 125 acres and has a waterfront of around 7 miles. The average water depth is more than 12 feet. It is fed by 5 natural springs, as well as rainwater and groundwater. The lagoon is considered freshwater as there's very little salt content. The marina has 60 slips with concrete fixed docks, each supplied with 30 and 50 amp power. The monthly slip rates are very competitive. Security patrols the marina 24 hours a day. The lock is 110 feet long and 25 feet wide. It's manned by a dedicated team of individuals who make your lock experience stress-free and safe. The lock gives immediate access to the Atlantic Intercoastal Waterway, with the St. John's River just 1 mile from the mouth of the channel. There's a 120-foot floating dock right outside the lock for those wishing to leave or return outside of operating hours. This dock has water and power. The community has a very active yacht club. Boat ownership is not required for membership. Yacht club events are planned so that members can join in by boat or by car. The yacht club also sponsor a number of community events throughout the year, like Halloween trick-or-treating by boat and the annual holiday lighted boat parade through the lagoon, where residents line the banks to view the beautifully decorated boats. Non-residents who keep their boat in the marina are eligible to join the yacht club.